Hi, I'm Kev from sonsofcane.com, and this week's video is going to be a thing called window wiper. As usual, I've got Chris with me. Hi Chris.
Peace. We've covered the windscreen wiper before, but we're going to show you how you can adapt it and use it for some nice close-in techniques. What we're going to talk about today is revisit the windscreen wiper technique. So if you haven't seen the original video, there will be a link up top so you can see it. And if you remember, it was having the cane nice and close in and doing this very short motion, generating a lot of power and protection. But what we're going to look at now is how you can use it when you're close in. We've said this before, we do a lot of seminars, we go to a lot of shows, we watch a lot of videos, DVDs of techniques, and one of our big draws is people doing realistic self-defense, and somebody will come at you with a nice classic karate lunge punch. So they stand over there, they walk in, and by the time they've punched, you've gone off, you've made a cup of tea, you're having your tea, and then the attack comes to you. So this would be really easy for me to come in, I know what's coming, I can do my technique. That is not a fighting distance. We call this a sparring distance. This is great on the mat, but it's not reality. We do not claim to be reality instructors. I know quite a few, I've trained with them. If you want to know who they are, I'll put them in, message me. So we understand that this is where people fight. They intimidate you. I can't do a big swing. I mean, he's bigger than me and I'm getting intimidated. But I can't do the big swing. But to do my windscreen wiper technique from here, he's not going to do a nice lunge punch. He may push me to get some distance, or he might just grab me and throw the punch, the classic grab, and he's going to throw it in there. So what you need to practice, same technique, but this close in. So it's like a fan block, but it's very, very close to your body. I need to fill this gap with my cane. If I strike the arm, I might not be generating enough power, but then I can do my windscreen wiper. So from here, I am going to do this slow because this will be quite painful. I'm going to push. As I'm pushing, I'm rolling the cane and I'm scraping the cane across his arm. So it's nice and straightforward. As soon as that's on, I'm cracking that up, I'm grabbing the cane and I'm twisting windscreen wiper in. I may have released that, but I'm not going to stop. So I'm going to come back, I'm going to dig, I'm going to hook, I'm going to trap, I'm going to do something. I may just drive this down. But what I've done is kept this close into my core, grip with my elbows tucked in to generate power. If I need to, if he does a double hand grab, I can either bring it between, strike it through. If he's really close with his elbows bent, I can do the same technique. I'm going to windscreen wiper up, I'm going to grab here, I'm going to draw him in, right, let go down because otherwise, and then I'm going to do this technique. It's very painful. If you practice that one, I will do this gently. So I'm squeezing his neck, my elbows are coming together, and then I'm going to rotate him one way, then the other. Each time I move to the left and right, his knees are getting more bent and he's dropping down. I'm pressing against his carotid on either side. Very effective but very dangerous technique. So what you're looking at, close in, elbows tucked in, that's where you get the power. And don't forget this bit here, very handy if they're taller than you. If you need two canes to walk, look, we'll go for the double grab. So he's got his arms out, I still need stability. He might not be static, he might be trying to shake me. Can I still do this? Because we need both hands for windscreen wiper. We adapt. I'm going to draw this up, so I will bring this into the brace block position, but my arm will scoop. So as that is here, I've got a stable platform now. I expect he's shouting and screaming at me at the same time. So this is going to come up and over. I'm digging my way into this cane as I'm pushing this cane across. So the power is actually coming from the floor, not from me. So nice and slow, he's on, I've got my stable platform, I'm using this to bring the power through for here, and then I've got my strikes, whatever it is, I decide to do from there. So don't forget, clear your attacker, disable him efficiently, but as much as you need to. Don't go overboard with it.
Thanks for watching, guys. We hope you liked the video. As usual, stick comments down below. This is the first again of another technique that we're using. We're developing it slowly and surely, and pretty soon we're going to have another one where it's going to be done in the wheelchair.
Please let us know if you think you can improve it. Let us know how we can improve it, because that's really important. If you disliked it, let us know, because when we make mistakes, if you don't let us know, we'll never improve. So your feedback's really, really important, guys, and we do appreciate it, even if it's negative. Otherwise we won't learn and we can't pass this information on. Don't forget to share, don't forget to care. Ring that bell, free to fit.